Alright, so this is a bike check of the We the People Trust 2010. Alright, that's the stock frame. Odyssey Aaron Ross grips. Parins bar ends. S&M Perfect 10 bars. E-Class sniper lever. Animal illegal brake cable. Stock stem. Stock forks. Fit FAF tire 20 by 2.3 with salt front wheel and a kink peg, no hub guard. Moving on to the back, Shadow Conspiracy, Ryan Sure signature seat, stock seat post, no one cares, and Odyssey Mr. Clampy 2 seat post clamp. This is probably like the newest edition, but the profile spline drive cranks and the tree light spline drive sprocket with the shadow interlock chain. And I've had these for a while. My friend Logan gave them to me. They're Odyssey JCPC pedals. The back tire for FAF 20 by 2.1. Yeah, I know it's on backwards. Salt wheel again. G-Sport Glen hub guard. And Odyssey rifle peg in the back. My helmet's just a ProTech Classic. Just the stickers. Yeah, who cares? I have some FTL ones, but I'm waiting for Billy Perry to respond before I put them on. I don't want to mess anything up. Okay, and yeah, that's my bike. Alright, thanks for watching.